Introducing Ask Jane, your strategic growth advisor. Discover how our platform turns your enterprise data into actionable business intelligence to boost your bottom line. Ask Jane any questions about your data to gain meaningful insights and recommendations. I am asking about growth opportunities in men's shoes. Dig into key findings to identify underlying trends. Then review Jane's recommendations for your business. Lastly, gain strategic considerations to help drive growth. Now, I wish to dive deeper. I ask what the top 10 styles were in 2024. Now I can explore details of these styles. And even here, I can review insights and commonalities of these products. But I would prefer to see this in a grid. Now I can quickly review the data in a friendly format. What about a bar chart? A bar chart is displayed for review, and an expanded view is readily available. Thanks for exploring Ask Jane. Ready to see how this can work for you? Our team is here to help you get started.